It's time for games right now. It's time for games right now. It's okay. First game. Uqala ingoma. Omunye kwamela ayiqedelene. Angazi.
We don't know.
Let's imali yami futhi. Later. Why yan? Let's imali.
$1. Thank you, Stella, for the gifted rose. W's on the chat.
Alright, chat. Let's umlomo wakho. Let's umlomo wakho nguvale ngalo. At least iphefumula umoya.
Thank you for the gift. Yo, life with. Thank you for the gift. Gift goal achieved. W's on the chat. She just a girl and she's on fire.
So which game? So it's a game.
All I'm saying is now.
Basendele tole imali. Oh, Cairo. Siyabonga Cairo for sending the money thing.
Take a $1, Cairo.
Thank you. Thank you, Cairo. It means a lot. Mili bega le tole yo man.
Chill, bro. Please stop making noise. Yenza mama chela navuke. I'm for the chill. Participating your work. If I'll go out on them 7 tomorrow, please.
Yo.
Short. Nyaz what you name moto. Marauna mali. I'll 7.
What?
Ask me what you have to say.
What do you have to say for yourself after a kid just embarrass you?
Can I use this as a boxing glove?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you.
What do you have? The kid just violated you, not realized, but with the truth. The viewers, everyone in the chat is asking, what do you have to say for yourself?
For myself, first of all, with all due respect, my name is Mike Phiri. First of all, and last of all, I would love to thank my parents. I would love to thank my mother and my father, especially my parents.
Okay, did you greet your wife and your girlfriend?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Girlfriend?
Happy birthday to you, baby.
Oh, it's her birthday. Happy birthday. What is your name, girlfriend?
Millie.
Answer us, girlfriend. What is your name, girlfriend?
It's Millie.
Okay, and the wife?
Millie.
The wife is at home right now.
Wife, if you're at home. If you're at home. Okay, what do you have to say for yourself, Oga?
For myself?
Myself
and I.
No, yourself in the community. We're asking for yourself, you're saying myself.
It's been a pleasure to be here.
We're talking about the child. What do you have to say about what the child said to you?
The child?
No, the husband. We are saying the child.
The child! Oh, I'm so sorry. Contrary to popular belief.
Please go up. You're breaking my back.
Okay. Contrary to popular belief. How
is it popular when it's only your belief, huh?
Okay. First of all,
you mess up the mic. You see what I did there?
Oh, I see what you did there.
Now they're going to steal it. You have to make another one. Buy another one.
Okay. Hello?
He's not serious. Millie, please come back. What do you have to say about what you said to Mike, huh?
I can even smell his armpit. They really stink.
Ikhopha lami lingenaphi?
Ebnyango. Lala. Nasensipweni ebaslap namanzi.
Kanti hayi ungijwa phela kabi.
Yo, moshela nemi.
Awunamahloni.
Uthi akunamahloni. Ungayenzi helento heleyo.
Chaza bayingakhe.
Why? Who yenza so?
Perfume.
Okay, now we are about to dance. We are about to dance.
Sengivele ngafona ngicala ukukubona inhliziyo yashaya mahoy la la la. Ay. Bezeka.
Namingene kayala, namingene kariyami. Was Guicho. Walking. Like I'm talking.
Rhyme.
Sing rap. Yeah.
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 Politically.
Me again.
Next.
Next, please.
Yeah.
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 Huh. Yeah.
Huh. Yeah.
12 months
12 months.
in a year.
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 I say what?
What?
I say yeah.
Yeah.
And the man is yeah, Nina. Yeah.
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 The goat.
Yeah.
The goat.
No.
What?
Inkomo.
No, funny need yeah, car.
Oh, yeah, pela, ne?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is Coco.
Yeah.
This is Coco.
Yeah.
This is Coco.
Yeah.
Sanungama.
Yeah.
This is Coco.
Yeah.
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 I'm an last and then
Okay,
Yeah.
talo grab.
Mili kanti izakuwe kangaki kanti?
Okay, talo
Hayi nikeza umfondini.
Bambe.
Okay,
Rap.
guys.
Ozo sive.
Daluwanga makacule. Akekho daluwanga.
Yo.
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 Yo. So
Yo.
yo until nini kanti?
Yo. Ipiano. Yo. Yo.
Yo.
Remember.
Yo.
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 Ngakilapho ngoba man, I'm so intelligent.
Yes.
Copyright.
Copyright.
Yeah.
Kanti yatshontsha. Let's
Give mic now. Give mic.
Rap.
Okay. Rap again.
Rap I mean.
Double
Yeah.
tap the screen, guys. Double tap.
Money.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
Yo.
Ana. Ngiyakubona. Yeah. Yeah. Nizenza special needs.
Okay. Asenzeni it's just like my brother man. Yay! Ne, uzocala mina ne. Beka lapha, asime ngapha. Mili ne. Woza ke, ready? Ina scream amangicela ukuyenza ne. I'm just like my brother man. Guys.
I'm just like my brother, man.
Yay!
I'm just like my brother, man.
Yay!
I'm just like my brother, man.
Bosa cancel. Okay, let's go.
Just like my brother, man.
Yay! Again.
Just like my brother, man.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, so what's again?
Just like my brother, man.
Yay! Go cleaner.
Just like my brother, man. Let's go to Mutene.
Why am I getting the heat, bro? What happened?
So it's a singing competition now.
Who starts singing?
Tell me. Song of your choice. Any song.